Sound check. Hello, Olivier. So basically, I created some tables here. So basically, this is the folder structure of our OneDrive account. So I have two sheet here. I have on account. So this is my like primary email account. So basically, so I have also other user here. It replicates to my secondary email account. So in our case, in the scenario that we experience from your end, like which we are having an issue syncing uh, shared files from our end. So basically, the other user shared folder to you. Then from your end, basically it does not show up. Yeah. So let me just. I am not sure if we have the same process and how to share the files. So let me show that one to you that later. So right now, let me just show some this basically simple table for our OneDrive in the from the web. So we have this my files and the shared. So if we have to navigate in this file here. So like we have this my files represents this one here, then the shared as well. So in this case, in the shared folder, if you have to click that one. So I have nothing in the um, in my OneDrive account yet, but I'll will share that one later. So we have the root folder. So we have org here and others. So let me just navigate under the my files. I have org. So for the others, I have not created anyone yet. So let's focus on this one. So next, if I'm going to click the org folder, so we have a department here. Then I'm going to click the department. So we have IT and accounting. So for the sharing structure, so basically, we shared the folder. So what we will be going to do um, from the uh, from the folder that being shared to you, and it happens that it does not show in our OneDrive Explorer. So example for this one, right? So let me do some demonstration to share some folder. So what will be going to do from the owner of the folder? So he will be going to reshare that folders to you. So example, so let's navigate to other users. So in the other user, let me just, so we have the same structure. We have my files and shared. But for now, so let's focus on the my files. So in his case, um, also I am not sure if we have the same process on how we can share some folders to others. So if we have the same process, so what we're going to do, so we can ask the or your partner to reshare the folder which has an issue syncing from your end. Also, just some share some information to you with regards to syncing issues with the OneDrive. There's a lot experience, like, and not just us or you, but there are others also that experiencing this issue with the OneDrive. And this also this is not yet stable yet as per the OneDrive support. So let's go back. So let's going to share example for the under organization. So I'm going to create some folder here, customer one. Let me just create. So next is I'm going to share this one to my primary account here. So let me just share. So I'm just So in my case, so I usually use the manage access. Then in these features here, so to start sharing, so as you can see, we have like three-way. We can send link, groups, or family. Then this one here. So in this case, this folder has not been shared with anyone yet. So I'm going to select this people here. Then I'm going to share to my primary email. So for the permissions, like I can do like for this one, let me just can make any changes. So I'm going to select that one. So this is a sample shared only. So next is I'm going to click this send button here. So before I'm going to send, so let just check. So we don't have anything one here yet. So let's go back to the web. So under the shared folder, so let me just refresh. So there is none. Also there is no customer one folder is being shared to me right now. So next, so I'm going to send this one here. So after that one, so link shared with, so let me just refresh here from my end. So basically, so it will not show up here the being shared yet. So there is none yet here. So let me just refresh this page here. So yeah, it's currently loading. So also if you notice, so as you can see, there is no folders that being shared from my secondary account. So what we'll be going to do, we have to like click this folder here. Then let's go back here, shared with you. Then as you may notice, so a customer one folder is now being displayed. So let's if you check the OneDrive Explorer, so you may not see anything one yet. So there is none. So what we were going to do is let me just hold on. So for this one, oh, yeah, let's go back to the OneDrive in the web. So you have to create this shortcut here by clicking this icon here. So before clicking an icon, let me just check my file. So there is no shortcut here yet. So let's go back to shared. Then I'm going to click this icon here. So as we have now added a shortcut to customer in OneDrive. So in this case, my files. So we have one here now. So now let's try to check the OneDrive Explorer. Let me close. Then let reopen again. So as you can see, wait, there's none. No. Hold on. So let me just resync. Alright. So as you can see, so we have now customer one. So if you have going to open that one, so let me just recheck. So basically yeah, this features is we can edit this file here. So we are now wondering if I'm going to click that one. So basically it created a shortcut with a file folder type here. So and now so I'm going to test that file. Let me add some data. Let me just drag downloads, OneDrive score report. So let me add some, yeah, this example for this one here. Also we can add some file. So currently it should be like uploading right now. So in this case, so it may take a while since my internet it is not good tonight. So let me just check for the shared. So we have now customer one. So I think you can click this one here as well. So if you notice, so we have na ongoing files. Then if I'm going to yeah, so basically the file is being synced. So just in case from your end, so what we'll have going to do, so I think yeah, we can like ask the your partner to reshare the folder to your end. Then once it's reshared from the my files here, so let's create a shortcut from there. Then once our shortcut created, so the shortcut will be displayed here. So basically, so we can like um, open the folders or the shared files or folders from the OneDrive Explorer. Yeah. Also, let me just try to share another folder like payroll. So, for this one, the same process. Start sharing. Wait. So I'm going to click this one. Then let me just use the can't make any changes. Alright, so let's go back here. So let's try to refresh. So if none, so let's open here. Then let's go back to shared video. So we have now this payroll folder here. Wait, let me just delete this file. So let's go back to the payroll folder. So we have like to create a shortcut. So let's check the my files. So we have now a shortcut here. Then let's resync. Then let's click the open folder for the OneDrive. So as you can see, so we have shared here. So since we cannot make any changes here, so expected we cannot add some files there. Mm, so the action cannot be completed because file up. Let's try. So the item is not being shared. So so if you also notice the file is read only, so basically we cannot really upload or add some files in the under the payroll folder. So let me just going to delete that one. Yeah, I think that's the process how we can like resync or fix the syncing issue with your OneDrive folder. So if you have concerns, just let me know.